I want to start doing videos on my truck. It really needs some love these days. I've been having it about almost 7 years now. It's a 89 F350, the power stroke in it. If you know what you're talking about, you know that sounds weird and looks weird. It started its life as a 89 F350 with a big block 460 and dually and 5-speed. Now from the dash forward, it's a 97. It's got a 7.3 power stroke in it with about 190,000 miles on it. Automatic, single wheel. But it needs some love these days. Just buried it last weekend. Pretty sure I broke the front hubs. So, or at least one of them. It's making some loud clanks and pops. I'm hoping that it's just the fucking front hubs. Hoping it ain't something more. But I'm gonna start documenting all the maintenance and upkeep on this thing, see if I can't get it back up into really good shape. Since I swamped it, I stuck it in a hole pretty bad. I think it's the power steering pump making a terrible screeching noise. We'll see how it is, but I gotta replace it anyhow, so all that will be documented. I'll probably put some worn hubs in there. Here's the interior, nothing fancy, but you can see 89 in the back, and dash forward, it's 97. It ain't nice, but it's functional. It needs a paint job, needs all sorts of shit, but I don't want to get crazy on the cosmetic stuff because it is my fucking do all, go all, sleep wherever, park it wherever truck, and I don't want to really worry about no scratches or none of that shit. So yeah, I don't know, I always wanted to turn it back into a dually, but it really ain't high on the priority list. Paint job, it needs a new paint job, but that ain't high on the priority list either. Did have a fucking nice sleeping setup back here. I need to redo all that. Now I'm just using my kids' blankets and shit back here. All their camping stuff is still back here. I need to remake it with a twin mattress and somewhere to sit and eat and stuff like that. Pretty sweet setup though. If you see my other video, I got a rig set up to where I can use a window unit air conditioner. But yeah, I'll be rebuilding that, and that'll be a video soon. This top's a piece of shit, but it serves a good purpose. This thing has seen so many different configurations, done all sorts of duties. It's crazy. It's not a daily driver. It's just my tow rig that I use every couple of weeks. That's it. Yeah. My air conditioner's broke. Fuel gauges are broke on this thing. Look at this. This happened when I got stuck last weekend. Need to get that up and running right. That's easy. That's nothing. Yeah, last winter it was so cold my fucking badges straight up fell off of there. Anyhow, I just wanted to say this is my truck and I'll be starting to do videos on it soon. Hey, I stand corrected. It wasn't a dually initially. It was just, it's always been single wheel. I looked at the numbers on the door jamb. It's got the 89 axles under it, just like the cab. Cab's 89, axles are 89, frame's 89. I think the bed's a 91. And the dash forward and engine and drivetrain is all 97. Anyhow, I just wanted to clear that up. I made a mistake earlier and said it was dual. It was a dually prior, but it wasn't. My bad. There's so many fucking different parts on this truck, it's hard to keep up with. Anyhow, if you want to see me upgrade this truck and keep it going, click that button down there, subscribe, and always subscribe anyhow for badass four-wheeler videos. Anyways, yeah, take care.